Vajra Venture is a residential or commercial project located near Alir, NH 163. NH 163 connects important towns in the region and is known for its connectivity, making it an attractive location for various developments. However, specific details about Vajra Venture may vary, and I would recommend checking with local real estate listings, agencies, or online sources for the most current and accurate information about the project. Are you looking for specific details about properties, prices, or development status in that area? It seems you are asking about facilities available in the Vajra Venture near Alir on NH Nota Arave Mudu, as well as the DTPC Appeared Venture. Let's break this down. Vajra Venture. Location: situated near Alir on National Highway 163, this development enjoys good connectivity to nearby cities and towns, making it an attractive area for residential or commercial properties. Facilities: typically, ventures in such locations offer basic and modern amenities. These may include road connectivity, easy access to major highways like NH 163, ensuring good transport options. Utility infrastructure, water supply, electricity, sewage, and drainage systems. Security, gated community or security arrangements. Green spaces, parks or open spaces within the venture. Parking, dedicated parking facilities for residents and visitors. Shopping commercial areas, some ventures have small shopping complexes or retail spaces. DTPC Appeared Venture. DTPC could stand for District Tourism Promotion Council or other similar organizations depending on the context, though it is not clear in this case. If the venture is promoted under DTPC, it might be related to tourism or promoting a blend of residential and tourist-friendly amenities. In such a case, the facilities might include ecotourism features, resorts, eco-friendly spaces, or adventure-related infrastructure. Tourism-related infrastructure, nearby tourist attractions, travel and tour operator facilities, and easy access to popular destinations. Cultural or heritage projects. If it's a tourism-focused project, you may also find museums, art galleries, or cultural spaces in the venture. Could you clarify if DTPC refers to a specific tourism initiative or something else in this context? That would help me provide more